Good morning, students. Hope you all are good and staying at your home safely. So, students, after your post periodic, we are going to start our chapter from moment, that is, a house is not a home by Zen Gotze. Today I will be giving you a chapter sketch as well as the characters of the chapter and the summary of the chapter. And from tomorrow onwards, I will be explaining you the your reading portion as well as the explanation portion of the chapter, as like me or a Shia ma'am is doing before your post periodic examinations. So a chapter sketch goes like this. The story, A House is Not a Home, is about a teenager who joins a new school. So he misses his old friends, teachers, and old school. His house gets destroyed in a fire and he loses all his belongings and his pet cat also. His fellow students in the new school help him by gifting him study material and clothes. This act of kindness touches him and he makes friends with them. So what happened next? What happened one day, that while he was overlooking the construction of his new house, a lady comes and gives him his missing cat, and he is overjoyed to get his pet cat back, and suddenly all his feelings of tragedy and insecurity go away. So now I'll just go with the characters of this chapter. So the first character of the chapter is the teenager. So the teenager is a high school student, means the character of the first of this chapter, the first character is that boy. So the teenager is a high school student. He joins a new school and misses his old school teachers and friends. Now the second most the part of the chapter means character is the pet cat. The pet cat is very dear to the teenager, and she has a red colored eye. Now the last one is the stranger. The stranger lives a mile away from the teenager. She is very helpful as she takes care of his pet cat, finds out the details of the owner of a cat from phone number on cat's collar. Means that cat was wearing a collar, and on that collar the owner's phone number was written. And after what happened after that, when that house was destroyed by the fire, cat was also that cat was also missing from that house. So the owner thought, means that the teenager thought that the cat was might be she was burned in that fire, but the dead body was not been recognized or not been found. So they were also thinking that might be cat was run away from that fire. So when his house was when his new house was building up, the stranger came there, and she hand over the cat, and after seeing his cat he was overjoyed, and he just thanked that lady. And that lady came to know the owner's cat by looking up the phone number on the collar of that cat. Now I'll just go with the summary of the chapter, students. So the first chapter summary, the first point which I had written is, teenagers join a new school. So the teenager means that boy joins a new high school, and he finds strange and awkward as his closest friends are in different school, and he misses his old friends and teachers and goes to meet his old teacher regularly. After coming from his new school, he went to his old school to meet his old teacher and friends. After ninth class, or you can say after ninth class, he had joined the new school, where he has to go with the high school. He has to do the high school, and his in his old school there was no high school class was there. So up to class 9 it was there, so he has to join a new school. Now second point was, teenager's house catches fire. So, one day while the teenager is doing his homework, his house catches fire. He and his mother ran outside the house. He goes to his neighbors to call the fire brigade while his mother rushes inside to get some important documents and the picture of his father. And he is terrified also on seeing his mother go inside the burning house, and in the process of saving his mother forgets about his pet cat. So student, the second second point was that teenager's house catches fire means one day that boy was doing his homework, and accidentally the his house catches fire, and he and his mother ran outside of the house by using that veranda portion, and they started calling out the fire brigade and the police officers also. But as he had already lost his father 2 or 3 years back, so his father's some memories were there in that house. That was a photo and some letters which his mother and he himself loved those memories. So what happened, his mother ran away to that inside that burning house to save some documents and also some the pictures of his father. So after seeing his mother going inside that burning house, he got very terrified, and he started saving his mother. Like in process of saving his mother, he forget about his pet cat which was also inside that house when he was doing his homework, as he loves his cat very much. Why? Because he that cat after coming from his old school also, and in the evening time he used to play with that cat. Now they shift to his grandparents house. This is the third point, that after 5 hours the firemen are successful in extinguishing the fire. So the teenager suddenly realizes that his pet cat is missing. He searches it everywhere but it unable to find it. He cries for the loss of his cat, and he and his mother shift to his grandparents' home as their house has been completely destroyed by the fire. Means like after 5 hours while he was saving his mother from that going into that burning house, and after also seeing that his house was burning because the fire brigade came late, and they were after coming of the fire brigade also, they were extinguishing the fire. But after seeing that the whole house was burnt out and the fireman was extinguishing the fire, he realized that his pet cat was there in that house, and now it was missing. So he searches it everywhere, and but he was unable to find that cat. So now he started crying for the loss of that cat, and his mother and he shifted to his grandparents home as their house was has been completely burnt out. So now the fourth part, that was a teenagers goes to school. The next day the teenager goes to school, means his new school. His clothes look weird and he does not have any books or school bag as everything was burnt out or destroyed in that fire. So he feels strange going like that due that this to the school, and also wants to die as his old school. So his friends, his house and his pet cat have been taken away from him. Now means now he was thinking that he was कहते हैं ना अपने आप को he started blaming himself. Why? Because he was thinking that he had lost his old school, his old friends, his old teachers, as well as he had lost his father 2 or 3 years back. After that he had lost his school, old teachers, old friends, and now he had lost his home which was burned or destroyed in that fire, and he also lost his cat. Now so he was blaming his life for this thing. So now teenagers revisit the house. Now this is the fifth point, teenager revisit the house. After school the teenager revisit his house and find that the damage due to the fire is huge, and so his heart misses his cat and he is unable to find it. He visits the house every now and then in the hope of finding his cat, but it seems to be nowhere. So after like revisiting the house again, so that in the like he was thinking that might be the cat was there, or might be a cat dead body was there, but cat dead body was not there. So he was in a hope that might be his cat had missing, or she or that cat was also ran away when the this fire was there. So now the second last was schoolmates help the teenager. So how the schoolmates help the teenager? This is a the schoolmates are the new schoolmates, means this in which he was going. So the news about the destruction of his house spread in his new school also. So everybody in the school became aware of his condition, as he was not wearing a good clothes the next day when he went to his school, as everything was burnt out in that fire. So his schoolmates help him by giving him school supplies like notebook and clothes, and also the students introduce themselves to him and invite him to come to their home. This incident helps him open up to them and also makes a new friends. In this way, he started liking everyone started talking with him, and they are started helping him by giving him his notebook or some jeans, or sometimes like clothes, and other useful supplies they are started giving to his friend, and now they are making now they are becoming a very good friend also. So now from this incident like he was open to everyone, and he and also the other friends also started making friends with each other. Now the last one is the teenager find his cat. So one day while he is watching the rebuilding of his house, means when he was shifted to his grandparents house, his new house was started rebuilding there. So a lady comes and asks him if the cat she is carrying was his. So one day he was there, sitting in front of his new house, means he was watching that the his house was building it up again. So a lady came there, and she asked him that if the cat is the cat which she is carrying is his or not. So he is overjoyed by him when he sees that she is carrying his pet cat. Now he takes it from her arms and holds her close to him and cries. Now he feels very grateful for his life, his new friends, the kindness of a stranger, and his beloved cat also. Now एक टाइम जब वो था जब उसने अपने घर को जलते हुए देखा था, अपने स्कूल में गया था नेक्स्ट डे, तो नाउ ही स्टार्टेड ब्लेमिंग हिमसेल्फ दैट he was not getting any type of happiness, like he had lost his father, then his house, his old friends, teachers, school, and now his cat also. But after getting his new cat that cat again, he was very much overjoyed, and he was thanking to his life that he had got a very good life, he got his new friends, the new school, and a kindness of a stranger, that he had that she had returned his cat also. Now he has a new home, as a new construction was going on for his new house. So in this way he was very much happy. So I'll just go with the highlight that the author in this goes to a new school and find it difficult to adjust there. So after one day when he lost everything in that fire, means his house and everything, so he decided that he will not going to school, the new school again, but his mother had forced him that no, you have to go there. And when he went there, he was very much embarrassed by his old clothes and the worn out clothes, and the shoes which he was wearing it. But his new friends came to know about his condition, so they helped him a lot. And after after getting all those things, and also they started introducing himself with the teenager boy. So now he started liking each other. And one day when he was one day while he was overlooking the reconstruction of his house, a lady comes and gave him to his pet cat. So he's overjoyed and getting back his pet cat. And thanks to the lady, he feels very grateful for his life, his new friends, and the lady, and his pet cat. So in this way students, I had explained you the chapter sketch, characters of the chapter and the summary of the chapter. So if you have any query, you can ask from me in the like in the WhatsApp class whenever I am going to open it. So students, just till then take care, bye bye, and I will be explaining you the reading portion of the chapter tomorrow with the explanation part. Thank you students, take care and bye bye.